deep, dynamic permutations. As the digital age rapidly progresses, the intertwining of artificial intelligence and startups has become progressively more profound. Welcome to the world of AI and startups, an arena burgeoning with boundless possibilities. From enhancing operational efficiency to personalizing customer experiences, artificial intelligence serves as a leading driving force behind startup innovation and success. We delve now into the myriad ways AI bolsters startups and their overall business models. In a fiercely competitive global market, harnessing the power of AI can drive startups well beyond established boundaries, affording them an edge over their competitors. Let's now examine how AI provides this competitive edge. AI continues to redefine the way businesses operate and serve their customers. We will now explore some real-world applications of AI in successful startups, exemplifying the transformative potential AI holds in store. While the current landscape of AI in startups depicts an impactful and promising trend, the future holds even more extraordinary ventures. Reflecting upon what lies ahead, we take a look at potential future developments of AI in startups.